Aloe vera is a powerhouse for skincare, especially when it comes to facials at home. Its natural soothing properties make it perfect for calming irritated skin and reducing redness. To create a simple aloe vera facial, start by extracting fresh gel from the leaves. This gel is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes that hydrate and nourish your skin. Mix the gel with a few drops of tea tree oil for its antibacterial benefits, or combine it with honey for added moisture. Apply this mixture to your face and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, and you'll notice a refreshing glow. Regular use can help with acne, sunburn, and even signs of aging. Plus, it's a budget-friendly option that's easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. Embrace the natural benefits of aloe vera and give your skin the love it deserves.